guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's not gonna be the usual one-day filming talking about the product, but this is actually gonna be a journey. So for this week, I will be doing a 7-day challenge wherein I only use products from Farmskin. To give you a short background on what Farmskin is, it's actually a natural skincare brand from South Korea, and they are now available in the Philippines. So in the email, we were actually talking about how we were going to execute this without being too wordy. You know, everyone knows that it's natural, it's a good skincare brand, but I wanted to show you real results. I actually have super high hopes for this and high expectations because my friend actually loves Farmskin because it's her holy grail product. Although she has dry skin and I have oily/combination skin, so we'll see how it works. Before I start using the products, let me show you what I got from them. So this is the first product, which is the facial cleansing foam, and it's in apple. It actually smells good. It smells like apple din. Tapos, this is for oily skin kasi nga, like I said, my skin is oily, so they gave me the oily skin type facial foam cleanser. Next, they gave me the missing puzzle soap set, and what they gave me is actually obviously for people with oily skin. And lastly, their sheet masks. So this is good for 7 days, so I'm gonna be using it every night na lang. All the products that I showed you can actually be bought as a bundle, a gift set bundle for only 999 pesos. Pero if you don't want it as a bundle naman, you can get them individually. So for example, this one, you can get this for only 179 pesos. The puzzle soap for 325 pesos. This for 599 pesos. Pero if I were you, just get the whole bundle because you can save like 110 pesos pa. Okay, so let's talk about my routine. In the morning, I'll be using the facial cleansing foam, and in the evening, I'll be using the soap pieces before I use the sheet masks. I also want to point out that I'm not going to be using the soap na apat as a whole, but I'm actually going to use 2 for my face and 2 for my body. So here are the soaps, and they actually serve different purposes, which is why I feel like doing this is the smartest move. So ito muna yung pag-uusapan ko. This is the Pore Care Carrot Soap, and this is the Purifying Charcoal Soap. So this is for uneven skin texture and pores, and this is for greasy and oily skin. Ito naman yung gagamitin ko for my body kasi yung tina-target naman nito is lifeless and dull skin. So this is the Refreshing Orange, and this is the Brightening Fig. These are not only natural ingredients, but it's also cruelty-free. These are also some of the things that you should know about them. Tapos, if you have questions like, is this safe for women who are pregnant? Is this good for people with sensitive skin? Is it for all ages? The answer is yes. Good morning. So, it's currently 8:30 something right now. Di ko sasabihin na I just woke up because I woke up 30 minutes before and uminom na ako ng tubig and all that. Pero I just wanted to show you guys what my skin looked like before using Farmskin products para ma-document lang. Right? So, as you can see, I have active pimples right here. Tatlo talaga, di ba? Nakakainis. And more here. Ayan. And some tiny bumps right here. So, I'm gonna start using their products later, and I'm so excited. I hope their product is effective because I really want my acne gone. Tapos yung ibang soap, I'll use it on my body kasi right now, I mean, it's fine, pero hindi ako nag-lotion kagabi. Ito yung my better lighting. Kasi ayan yung cortina. Okay. See? So I'm gonna be washing my face with this first. I just finished washing my face using the Apple Facial Cleanser, and I just noticed something. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there's parang a dry ring around this big pimple right here. So I think that's a good sign that my pimple's drying up. So yeah. Hi, so I just got out of the shower and may napansin lang ako. We have a little bit of a problem here kasi diba in the first part of the video, I said that I will only be using Farmskin products and nothing else. But I just noticed that I don't have any moisturizer from Farmskin. My skin right now on my face feels pretty dry because I've been using diba soap na it fights oily skin. So nagiging dry talaga. But hey, at least we know it works, diba? It's just that it feels very tight right now. Pero, iniisip ko, I haven't used the masks yet naman. So, I feel like, kapag ginamit ko yun tonight, tomorrow, it will like balance everything out. Hi, so I'm already wearing the very first mask, which is Carrot Pore Purifying. and it's this one. I'm gonna leave it for around 15 minutes and take it out. So I already removed the mask, and this is what my skin looks like. It's pretty glowy. I love it. I mean, meron pa kasing ganyan, pero mawawala yan, hopefully. But other than that, my skin looks so glowy. Morning guys! So, I already washed my face with the Apple Cleansing Foam. Pero kanina, when I woke up, my skin felt like there was oil on it. Pero parang a healthy oil. I feel like it's the essence from the mask last night. So, okay lang din naman yan sa akin. And another thing that I noticed is that, eto diba, sabi ko may active pimple ako dyan. This feels hard na. So it's dying. So this is day 3 of using Farmskin products, and what I can say is my skin feels plump this morning, and my other pimples here became flat. Pero may issue lang ako is ito. I grew 2 pimples right here, but I feel like matatanggal rin naman yan. Baka kasi tinatanggal niya yung toxins and releasing all the pimples from within. Hi guys, so it's currently day 4 and I see a lot of pimples on my face, actually like new ones. At the beginning, I told you guys that I had like bumps on my forehead. Well, nawala naman na yun, pero this is new and look at this. That's a new pimple. It wasn't like that yesterday. Also, I just noticed that the other pimples, yung mga dati ko pang naging pimple like this one, see, wala na yan. But it's dark. Oh, I have another one here pala. I don't know what's happening, pero I hope tinatanggal lang talaga niya yung toxins and then eventually Hi, so it's day 5 and my skin feels very soft. It might not look soft, but it is. I have no oil in my face at the moment, and kanina pa ako nag-wash ng face ko like this morning, and it's currently 4 p.m. And see that glow? That's not makeup, it's just my natural glow. I guess the only thing that I have to do now is to remove my acne scars. The pimple that you saw yesterday, it's gone. After like 2 washes, because I washed my face this morning and last night. So yeah, 2 washes. Thus, I guess I scrubbed it off. So yeah, that's my day 5 update. Hi guys, so I'm in my car right now and I just went home kasi to get some stuff for the condo. Ayan yung stuff. Ngayon, I have nothing on my face kasi gusto ko talagang gawin yung 7-day challenge now for using ONLY Farmskin products. Pero I feel like I need my sunblock and moisturizer. I miss it. My skin misses it. Pero tinanong ko naman si mama kung may na-notice siya sa face ko. She said, may pimples. Oo nga, meron. Pero sabi ko, acne scars na lang yan. Pero sabi niya, medyo lumiwanag na rin naman. So I think that means like, mas nag-glow. Hi! So I completed my 7-day challenge na and these are my thoughts. In terms of yung oiliness sa face ko na nawala naman talaga siya, but I keep saying, diba, throughout the video that I do need some moisturizer kasi it is drying. But that's also the point of the product, diba, to remove the oil. And it really works naman. But at the same time, if you use the mask, magbabalance naman talaga siya. So tama rin naman yung naging assumption ko nung una. So let me give my final thoughts per product. For this facial cleanser, I feel like I will need to buy another one of this once this runs out kasi it's good. Okay na siya. Actually, kahit nga hindi na yung puzzle soap na gamitin ko, kahit ito na lang yung maging facial cleanser ko, maganda siya. It's also very affordable, which is why sulit talaga siya. For the puzzle soap naman, I would say that I really can't see a difference on my body. Parang ganun pa rin siya from the first time that I used it. Parang wala masyadong changes in my body. But for my face, I guess together with using this and that, naging okay. If you're just gonna use it for your face, I suggest just buy this one. And then lastly, for the face sheets, maganda yun gamitin, especially if you're not using any moisturizer after you use the oily cleansers. But if you do have moisturizers, I feel like hindi na yun masyado kailangan. Pero maganda pa rin naman yung mask. It's just that parang extra na lang siya. Gets? The point of the mask naman is to regenerate, to make your skin soft and supple. It did that. Again, if I do have a moisturizer or hydrator, I think magiging okay na yung skin. Plus, yung mask, very, parang nagpaparelax, anti-stress din for me. Ganon. So, let's talk about the difference that it made on my face. So, these are the before photos. As you can see, madami pa siyang red spots. active pimples. Speaking of active pimples, I'm not sure what happened in day 4, pero sobrang nag-breakout talaga yon. Then, it died down naman pretty fast. So, I'm still really confused on what happened there. Yeah, now that you see my before, alam niyo naman kung anong naging itsura throughout the week. And what I can say is, I have concealer kasi right now. But what I'm gonna tell you guys is that after a week of using it, the main differences that I saw on my face is, number 1, of course, the oiliness na wala, yung pagiging super oily. Number 2, na tanggal yung mga ibang pimples, naglabasan siya, then nawala. And then number 3, for the color of my pimples, yung mga nagiging red, yung acne scars, I feel like I have to use another product for that because it's still there. It became lighter for like super konti lang, pero I feel like yun kasi yung parang pinapatay pa lang niya, so hindi na siya ganun ka-active. For acne scars, I suggest to use another product. But again, if you just want to fight oil, then this is a good product. So yeah, that is my review for Farmskin products. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and also subscribe because I make videos every week. Thanks for watching!